Artoonza.
2 bottle caps equals instant wheels. Wow, this easy police car drawing is basically rolling straight into cuteness jail. Glitter police car is on the loose. Today we're making an easy police car drawing for kids with bottle caps, glitter, and nail polish that's clearly way too fabulous for traffic duty. Honestly, this squad car sparkles harder than a disco ball at a donut party. Our naughty vacuum is already chasing glitter criminals across the table. Justice has never been this shiny. And by the end, you'll have a glitter police car so cute, it could arrest boredom and throw it straight into Sparkle jail. Sirens on, sparkles up, and hearts full. Let's roll out, little artists. Attention, glitter. You're under arrest for excessive sparkle. Please remain fabulous. Give us a big thumbs up.
Aw, so cute.
Our naughty vacuum is on patrol. Glitter, you have the right to remain tidy. Let's go. Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Step 1, black marker time. Because every glitter police car needs a serious outline before it gets fabulous. Color, color, color. This is so amazing. Smash that like button now.
So cute.
This 4x4 police car doesn't need roads. It sparkles over everything in its way once we're done. Oh, black glitter nail polish. Because even tough police cars deserve to sparkle like they're going to a disco patrol. Check out these wheels. Painted with black glitter nail polish so shiny, they don't just roll, they strut. They sparkle like they're late for a fashion show, but still tough enough to chase glitter criminals. Honestly, they're so fabulous. Even the glitter is jealous. Red glitter sirens on. This police car doesn't just stop traffic, it blinds it with fabulousness. It's sticky, it's shiny, it's adorable. Okay, fine, I love it. Shh, don't tell my mom. Red glitter siren, blue nail polish lights, yellow glossy cheer. This police car isn't chasing bad guys, it's chasing boredom away. Yellow glossy polish equals instant sunshine headlights. Warning, may cause extreme cuteness on the road. Give us your like. And finally, light blue glitter polish. Because our police car isn't just cool, it's ICE cold fabulous. I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.